A very good evening to all of you. I welcome all of you at India's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2017 and India's Best Company of the Year Awards 2017 event organized by IBC Infomedia, a division of International Brand Consulting Corporation USA, event managed by Percept. We have a very shortage of time, so I will not take much time and we will try to complete this presentation in a few minutes only. India's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2017. India's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2017 is a recognized listing of India's famous fastest growing brands that have played a significant role in the growth of Indian economy and have clearly unveiled themselves as the next set of game changers serving through their various consumer facing businesses. It's a unique recognition of the success and ingenuity of the fastest growing brands across India and unique brands behind them. Selection criteria. India's Most Trusted Brand Awards is a brand listing which represents the most credible, transparent and differentiated standard of brand research. The selection has been conducted through rigorous research parameters involving primary as well as secondary research. The observation survey and research for India's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2017 was conducted by Media Research Group, MRG USA. The entire research platform was divided into various levels, 1 to 3. A description of the process is provided in detail on our website. Due to the shortage of time, we will not go through it here. Final level. The final level list of India's Most Trusted Brand Awards 2017 was based on the cumulative scores received by the jury, editorial team and the consumers' votes received through surveys. 60% of weightage was given to consumers' votes via survey, 20% weightage was given to jury scoring, 20% weightage was given to the Media Research Group team evaluation. Analysis. The cumulative scoring of the Media Research Group team jury members and consumer corporate social responsibility, reputation and other such factors of the company. Most important thing is that these companies have worked hard to achieve excellence. The research for India's Best Company of the Year Awards was conducted by Media Research Group, MRG USA. The entire research platform was divided into various levels, 1 to 3. A description of the process is provided in detail on our website.
All of you, a great audience over here, for having me over here. And I'm so honored to be here on the stage and receiving the award as the #1 brand ethnic wear brand award. And I thank you all consumers for choosing us and giving us the opportunity to serve you. We've been a brand for the last 25 years in the field of designing, and we are the only Indian designer brand to be listed on the National Stock Exchange. We've come a very hard way, starting from literally from 4 machines in the garage today to being a 200 crore market cap company. Thank you so much. Thanks for having us over here.
We join us on stage, the partners of the company. Could we have a huge round of applause and congratulations to the Waqar promoters for being best PR.
पिछले 4 सालों से मुझे रेगुलरली मिल रहा है और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड का अवार्ड मिला है। मतलब मेरे ब्रांड पे लोगों को ब्लाइंड ट्रस्ट है और हम लोग 24/7 सर्विस, रेट्स और कस्टमर को हैप्पीनेस और खुश करने के लिए ऑलवेज रेडी रहते हैं। और सबसे बड़ा होता है पैसा नहीं, लेकिन ट्रस्ट, और ट्रस्ट अवार्ड मिलना मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है।
तो जो ब्राइट इतना बड़ा ब्रांड बन गया है, क्या कामयाबी के पीछे राज क्या आपके?
हार्ड वर्किंग, ट्रस्ट पब्लिक का, आफ्टर सेल सर्विस, 24/7 अवेलेबल, नो ईगो नो एटीट्यूड, सिंपल लाइफ एंड कस्टमर को 100% हैप्पी, वैल्यू फॉर देयर मनी। वो 1 रुपया खर्चा करेंगे तो 1.5 रुपया 2 रुपये का उनको रिटर्न देने का, एंड फ्रेंडली सबके साथ एटमॉस्फियर।
और सपना क्या है कि आगे चल के क्या करने वाले हैं?
आगे अभी भगवान के आशीर्वाद से स्काई इज़ नो लिमिट। अभी नए नए काम बहुत कर रहे हैं और ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट का काम करने वाले हैं। हेड सेल करके एजेंसी चालू कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड और ऑल इंडिया में नया जो बड़ी टाइप पे मैंने एजेंसी करेगी, और आउटडोर में होर्डिंग्स के जो भी बड़े बड़े टेंडर्स आएंगे वो भरेंगे और बिजनेस को एक्सपांड करेंगे। थैंक यू।
This is the prestige award which our company got for the best company. Actually, SLR Metallic is alloy steel making company, and in a very short span, our company expand its business in the automotive sectors, basically in Hero, Honda, Tata, Ashoka Leyland. We got a very good name, even though Daimler also in our customer list.
What did you say?
Sir, we are very happy to receive this. This is the hard work of our team and our management that we have received the award of the best alloy steel of the company of the year, and we are very happy for this.
I congratulate team SLR for this award because it's a teamwork, not only a management. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It is not only the award, the effort what we have put behind makes the award best. And we are a steel manufacturing company. We are 2 decades old company. Most trusted brand available in the entire southern India. We concentrate more on our quality. Quality is the main tool of our success. And it has been led by a young dynamic director, Mr. Srikanth. He is about 44 years. He will give a...
What did you say about the company?
It's so happy to get the best company of the year. So much of efforts we put and little encouragement we get when we get these awards, and really very happy. And this is the occasion where I'm using now to say my thanks to all my team who are really with me, and all dealers, engineers, architects who have really made it to happen. I express my gratitude and thank you so much for this award.
So we are very thankful to IBC for introducing this award, and we are very happy to receive the award for being India's most trusted brand award.
It is for i6. Yeah, we are the first manufacturer of i6, and it is very much successful now. We are giving to the South Indian market now, and we want to extend it to the throughout India.
Well, जब भी कोई अवार्ड मिलता है ऐसा लगता है कि some people are recognizing you. So recognition मिल रहा है, उसके लिए हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं हमारे कंज्यूमर्स को, और मेहनत तो कर ही रहे। आइडिया ये है कि अवार्ड मिलने के बाद में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बढ़ जाती है, और लोगों के एक्सपेक्टेशंस और बढ़ जाते हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि वी डू हार्ड वर्क एंड वी अचीव वन मोर माइलस्टोन इन मेकिंग आवर कस्टमर्स मोर हैप्पी।
What is your vision for your company as such? It's a very large company right now, so you must have some vision regarding the future.
Well, vision in terms of money तो कुछ भी नहीं है, but in terms of work, I have a vision to dress everybody for their weddings, जो मैं करता हूँ, जो मेरी स्पेशलिटी है, और यही काम मैं करता रहूँगा विदाउट थिंकिंग कि इससे मुझे क्या लाभ होता है। I will try to keep the customer satisfied and work towards trying to come up with better creations, as it's a challenging work and कभी-कभी हम सही होते हैं, कभी-कभी हम सही नहीं होते हैं, so कोशिश ये करूँगा कि हर बार सही हो।
So this award is for the best, most trusted brand of India. So our Kalki, our brand, is for special occasions and for beautiful moments of women in his life, in our life. So trusted when they trust us with that special moment, it becomes a proud and something to be cherished about. So, and our product is not only the award is not only for the product, it is also for the service, customization, alteration, whatever services we provide is for that.
इवनिंग सर, तो आपको कैसे लग रहा है? आप कौन सी कंपनी से हैं?
हम लोग तिरंगा अगरबत्ती, हम लोग यूपी से हैं। हमारी तिरंगा अगरबत्ती करके अगरबत्ती आती है, और जिसको इंडियाज़ नंबर 1 लगातार 2 बार अवार्ड मिला है, और आज जो है हमको उसका इंडिया मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड का अवार्ड हमारी तिरंगा अगरबत्ती को, और जो सेक्रेड हमारे जो होली प्रोडक्ट हैं, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ये महसूस किया है कि भगवान की पूजा के लिए जो ब्रांड्स आते हैं उसके प्रति कोई विश्वास नहीं है, तो उस विश्वास को ले करके सेक्रेड आगे बढ़ा है। और हमें ये जान करके बहुत खुशी है कि IBC ने खुद से चयन करके सेक्रेड पे भरोसा दिया है। हम अपने ग्राहकों को विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि हम लोग कहते हैं ना, पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, तो बजाय इसके इस्तेमाल विश्वास के साथ ही करेगा ऐसा विश्वास हम उत्पन्न करेंगे ग्राहकों को।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you feeling after winning this award?
Absolutely fantastic. This is a great reward of the kind of confidence. Sure. That was a great reward which our customers and the faith the customers have shown on us, and also it's a reward of all the hard work put in by every employee in the organization, the investors, and as well as our chairman, Mr. C.K. Birla, and the entire group. I think this is a huge support from all of them, which has actually helped us win this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, can you tell me what message do you want to send to the consumers who have selected you for this award?
So, Agile as a brand is thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
He is the Chief Financial Officer, and he's our brand ambassador for our e-education products.
At such a small age.
Yes, because we are into e-education. E-education from play school to 10th standard. What we do is digitized education modules we provide to the schools and the students at affordable cost with good quality, so that they can stay at home and study well. And it acts as a supplement to them in terms of getting good quality education being imparted. And many of our students are getting good scores and getting into good colleges, higher colleges in fact, after K10. And our product in fact is well received in the market. And we are thankful today for being selected as the best e-education company in this award function.
Congratulations, sir. Can you please tell me what message do you want to send to our consumers?
Consumers, I say consumers are the best always, because as Mahatma Gandhi said, consumer is the king. So ultimately all the companies, including us, what we need to do is we need to reiterate to satisfy the customers. Every year what we do is we change our our product to make it appealing and to make it informative and to make it educative from the angle of the student.
Yes.
That's where we feel our consumers and customers being the students, we treat them as our gods.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Tell me your name.
Yeah, my name is Sunil Jain. I'm the president. My name is Sunil Jain. I am the president of Raju Engineers Limited. We are a plastic processing machinery manufacturer based out of Rajkot. Our journey started about 31 years back.
So, how do you feel after winning such a great award? How you are feeling?
It feels nice to get recognized for the business you are in.
Thank you so much, sir. And what is your message to the consumers? Can you please share out?
See, we are not really dealing with consumers. We are a B2B company, and we cater largely to the flexible packaging manufacturing.
Thank you. Lovely, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. I am Kailash Agrawal, Managing Director of HP Cotton. This company was established in 1983, and we are the manufacturer of cotton yarn and swing thread. And we started a very new product, a niche product, in 1993. And we are one of the leading exporter only from India, you can say. And in the world, there are only 3 or 4 producers. Now, last 3 years back, when our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has appealed regarding the greens, and we had Ganga Basin, and we had put the zero liquid discharge plant, and we are recycling 97% of the water from our plant, and that is with the help of, not with the help of the chemicals, but the biological treatment. This is of the first kind of zero liquid discharge plant in India, and this is the latest one. And this has been recognized by your company, IBC. I am thankful to the IBC and the jury member of IBC. And also our product is exported around 65 countries, and our turn, we are around, you can say, 70% of the product we are exporting all over the world. From all the continents, from the New Zealand till Chile, all the continents. And I wish IBC a good luck. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Congratulations. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, how do you feel after winning such a great award tonight?
First of all, I, on behalf of Southeastern Coalfields Limited, dedicate this award to all my coal workers who are working in a very hazardous condition and going deeper in the mine and digging coal for us, thereby producing energy for the India. And the Southeastern Coalfields Limited, led by Mr. B.R. Reddy, Chairman cum Managing Director, Director Personnel, Dr. R.S. Jha, Mr. A.P. Panda, Director of Finance, Kuldeep Prasad, Director Technical, and the entire team. We thank IBC Infomedia and jury for this great award. I dedicate this award to our coal workers.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations for tonight.
One more thing I would like to tell you, that we are the major coal producers in Coal India Limited. We produce around 22% of coal of entire India. The entire India approximately produces 650 million ton coals, out of which Coal India Limited produces around 550 million tons, and out of which also the Southeastern Coalfields Limited produces around 140 million tons of coals. And we take pride in telling it.
That's so proud of you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, I'm from stationery. I'm from stationery segment, DOMS. As you are giving the trusted brand, I think it is a consumer trust.
Yes,
they put a trust on us, and today we have reached here. We were a very small company. We started just 10 years earlier. Today we are available around the world. Entire Europe we are supplying the goods, and I think the most confidence of people will not be broken by quality, and DOMS will continue for supporting even this award what you are giving.
Sir, how do you feel after winning this award? What is your message towards IBC?
My message again, it is not my win, it is a consumer win who has put a trust on us.
Lovely, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, how do you feel after winning such a great award tonight?
Feels great. So I represent a company called Map My India. We are digitally, we've been mapping this country out digitally since last 25 years. And into this space, a homegrown company working with the likes of ISRO and a lot of Indian government bodies associated together. So today, every FMCG product that gets delivered to you, we are powering them. The taxis that you book, the India Post letters that comes to you is something that we power. So we are touching lives across the India, and as a consumer, we've been touching more than 1 million lives already. And we strive to do this good work as we go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. So what message is yours for winning this award? What do you feel? What do you want to experience or share your experience throughout?
Be Make in India, and when you want to find your way home, use Map My India, because har pata hame hai pata.
Thank you so much. Hello, sir. Good evening. So how do you feel? Look there.
It's a real pleasure to receive this award. This industry, MPH industry, is dominated by all the global players. Globally, all the manufacturers and MNCs. In India, Indian companies receiving this award, having more than 20% market share. Our customer is trusting us year on year. That's really made us proud.
Okay, so what is experience after winning this award, and what is your message towards IBC?
I think this is happy moment for the Indian companies. If you decide to serve your customer, to bring best class technology, you can beat any multinational. So trust on yourself, deliver best class services to your customer.
Thank you so much, sir, and once again congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir. So what is your experience after winning this award tonight?
Yeah, so experience is wonderful. I mean, we have underlined our presence in USA, and now we are into India and the APEC market. So definitely we are looking forward to underline our presence over here in Indian staffing industry as well.
Okay, sir. So what is your message towards the consumers who have selected you as awardee?
So message to the consumer is that when we support the government policies of employment and everything, so the entire as of now, the entire market is going through the digital disruption. Okay, so new technologies like big data, artificial intelligence are coming in, and definitely when we support the government policies, there are a lot of scope of retraining, reskilling, and taking the workforce of future to the entire different level. So traditionally, the market, the recruiting staffing market, which was more on coffee book style of recruitment, has to change a lot. And for that, there needs to be a lot of relationship involved, a lot of discussion with the larger staffing industries has to be involved in that.
Thank you so much, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening. So how are you feeling after winning this award tonight?
Yeah, it's great, and it's a good recognition for the hard work of our company for 30 years. We thank all the customers, our employees, and all stakeholders. And it's also well organized by Mr. Kaushik, the way the filtration happened and final declaration and all is very good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
What is your message towards the consumers who have chosen you for this award?
Yeah, we are first of all thankful to them for choosing us, and also we continue to repose their faith on us and improve on continuous basis.
Thank you so much, sir. Again, I would congratulate you for this award.
Thank you very much.
Actually, there are so many companies. We have seen that like big companies like Forbes and Times of India, they are organizing the awards throughout the India. So I noticed before 10 years that they are inviting only some big shots like big brands. So then I decided that I should also, start this type of project where we can invite some good brands and companies who really deserve, and then I started this project.
What was the real inspiration, and how is this different from other awards? There may be many brand awards. What is the difference between, what is the USP of this brand award?
Actually, we have a company, Media Research Group. So we are doing research and consulting work from last more than 15 years in USA. So we did a survey for the brands and for the companies, and we have a jury of more than 10 people, and they all are from different top companies from India. And after the research work, we have a panel of jury, and then we decided to, the number of list to whom we are going to give these awards.
So what's your vision for the award? Are you making it larger than life next year, or when are you going to the future?
Yeah, we have a lot of planning for the awards. As I mentioned during my presentation, that we are going to organize Asia's Most Trusted Brand Awards and Asia's Most Trusted Companies Awards on 29th of April in Bangkok at Grand Hyatt. And after that, we are organizing for India's #1 Brand Awards in Mumbai, India in the month of October. And we will be organizing World's Most Trusted Brand and Companies Awards in New York in December 2018.
Good evening, sir. So, how are you feeling after winning such a great award tonight?
Well, it's a great achievement for winning this award for our brand Durashine, and this is our second brand award in the category of Most Trusted Brand. We feel proud, and we value this brand award because it truly certifies what our consumer thinks about us. And this is not an achievement only for us, it's an achievement of the entire value chain. We consider our dealers, our distributor, and the entire Tata BlueScope Steel team works towards bringing the smile at consumers' face, and these kind of awards definitely reinforces it. So we definitely value this achievement.
Thank you so much, sir. And once again, I congratulate you for winning this award tonight.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you feeling after winning this award tonight?
It's the second time I'm winning this award for the upper promoter, so I'm very, very happy. और मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे ही हमको अवार्ड मिलता रहेगा तो हम आगे और ज़्यादा कोशिश करते रहेंगे कि, और ये जो अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ मीडिया की वजह से है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच मीडिया फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस, एंड दिस अवार्ड इज़ फॉर यू अगेन दिस ईयर. प्रोजेक्ट जो अभी मेरा आने वाला है शादी विद जुगाड़, उसका एडिटिंग शुरू हो गया है. आज मैंने अपना फर्स्ट फ्रेम देखा और आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड. इट वॉज लाइक माई हार्ट वॉज कमिंग इन माई माउथ लाइक ओके नाउ व्हाट्स गोना हैपन. बट एडिटिंग शुरू हो चुकी है, बस अभी थोड़ा सा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन बाकी है और जल्द ही हम लोग आ जाएंगे शादी विद जुगाड़ लेके.
तो को स्टार्स कौन है आपके साथ, और प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर है, कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, कौन डायरेक्टर? प्रोड्यूसर हैं जो श्री सूत्रम वाले हैं वो हैं, और जो डायरेक्टर हैं आज़ाद भारती हैं, और जो हमारे को स्टार्स हैं उसमें से मेरी एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड श्री राजपूत है और एक हर्षवर्धन जोशी हैं, और बहुत सारे थिएटर के आर्टिस्ट हैं, कैरन है, सुमति हैं, और काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं. और जैसे जैसे अब नज़दीक आ रही है डेट, वैसे वैसे आप सब लोग उनसे मिलेंगे, आपको भी मज़ा आएगा. एंड हमारी ये फिल्म पूरी कॉमेडी वाली है, तो आई होप आप बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. थैंक यू.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अवार्ड लेके. इस साल का ये आई थिंक 5वां अवार्ड है हमारा, और थैंक्स टू माय फैमिली, मेरे माँ बाप, मेरे भाई, मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, जिनके आशीर्वाद से ये मौका मिला है कि अवार्ड जीत पा रहा हूँ. और बाद में हमारी पार्टनर, जिनकी वजह से आज हमने बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स जीत लिए हैं, और वी आर डूइंग ग्रेट एज अ PR. एंड थैंक्स ऑल माय फ्रेंड फ्रॉम मीडिया, जिनकी वजह से, जिनकी मदद से एज अ PR हम लोग यहाँ तक पहुँच पाए. आप बोलिए.
मैंने तो बोला कि थैंक यू वेरी मच मीडिया, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच ब्रांड मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड अवार्ड, और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी हम लोग ऐसे ही जीतते जाएं और आपका साथ मिलता जाए. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.